guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna do unboxing of brand new Samsung Crystal UHD sound series. The serial number is TU7000. Smart TV powered by Tizen, which is a direct operating system, and 50-inch or 125 centimeter. The features are crystal display, crystal processor 4K, boundless design, one remote function, 4K Ultra HD connected, and works with Apple AirPlay and HDMI. So guys, now I'm gonna open the brand new TV. So guys, now I'm open the brand new TV. Yeah. So this, now let's open it. Yeah, we have opened it. The cutting is really good. What book is this? Yeah, quick setup guide. Let's keep it here, and this is the stand for the TV, one of the legs. Next, here. This is the, what is this? Booklet and the sticker. And remote with power plug. Next, another leg of the TV. So let's open the second layer. Yeah, this is the TV. So I think I can't lift the TV alone. Now let me get the help of my father. Wow, it's so beautiful. It has boundless frame, and it has a strip because for protection while lifting. So next we have to assemble its leg, and we'll hang it up here, and I will show it to you how it ons, how it's. So I have assembled the TV. It's actually so big, and now let's remove the protective strips. Yeah, one of the which I have removed the one side. Yeah. So now let's on the TV. This is the remote. It has many buttons, and we can directly go to Netflix or Amazon Prime Video. And it came with inbuilt batteries. So now let's switch on the TV. Yeah, it has been on. Start. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to play Big Bunny for a sample. Wow, the quality is so nice and wonderful. Sound quality is also very, very nice. So see you guys in the next video. So see you guys in the next video. Before ending up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and bye, and click the bell icon too. Bye.